Hey folks, once or twice a year we like to spend a bit of time outside of the factory, just enjoying one another's company and doing some activities that really help build our culture. And you can see we were able to spend a couple days at an amusement park where we had lots of rides and there was a lot of good meals and just a lot of fun time together. But one of the things that we've started doing as we've tried to build our lean thinking is also to incorporate learning from other factories. And on this particular trip, we decided to visit Nongfu Springs, which is one of the biggest bottlers in southern China. And it was an amazing opportunity for all 200 of our staff just to see how other businesses operate. And even though it's a completely different industry and our processes are not at all the same, it was exciting to see our staff noticing really great, clever ideas and taking notes or taking videos so that they could bring some of those ideas back to our own factory to see how we could incorporate that same level of excellence. And one of the things that I was especially encouraged by was that a number of our staff mentioned how grateful they were to get to do this tour because there's so much that we just don't know, and they're hungry to learn and continuously expand and improve their thinking. And this just serves as a good reminder to always be looking for opportunities to expose your team to world-class organizations, because it's a great investment. It builds up and honors your staff, and it will lead to transformational results. Thanks so much.